What is going on, guys? We are back with another trade recap video. Now, we did not take a trade today, and overall, not upset with it. We stuck to our rules, stuck to our bias, and, the market didn't follow through, and it'll do that. It will do that. So, if we take a look on the higher time frame today, we see that yesterday, we respected this 4-hour bearish fair value gap, and we ended up delivering throughout these lows. We also today had this 4-hour bullish fair value gap that we were tapping into, and I wanted to see this get inversed, and if it got inversed, I wanted to see us follow through down to this low. Unfortunately, we did not see that after we inversed this gap, and we will go into that a little bit deeper. So we did leave this unfilled hourly bearish gap at market open. That was a target that I would like to see get hit, but we were respecting bearish off of this 15-minute bearish gap at market open. So if we actually look at market open here, we had opened up right here at market open, and we immediately displaced lower, leaving, this low resistance liquidity here. Same thing with ES. We did not make an SMT. We did not do anything here. We immediately dumped throughout this low, and we continued dumping. I marked out these lows down here. These were hourly lows marked out here on ES. I really wanted to see these get hit. We put in an SMT here, and then we can look for longs. So once we end up seeing a little bit of a rebalance here, not really looking for anything necessarily at this point, I noticed that we have this 5-minute bearish fair value gap right here. We end up displacing lower from this bearish fair value gap, and then from this, there wasn't really an entry for shorts here. We ended up having a 3-minute inversion fair value gap, but we never ended up inversing it, so there were no entry for shorts at that point. With the way I trade and everything, no entries for shorts. Doesn't look like we're going to go to this low yet. Maybe we want to go for a resweep of this high. We end up just ripping through all this. We don't rebalance to a 5-minute or anything, just continuously just pumping. There was a 30-second inverse right here with this 1-minute change in the state of delivery. You could have taken to this buy side, but I really wanted to see a retrace inside of a 5-minute, and we just never got that. Also at this point on, this devil's mark on this 15-minute candle was a good sign that we wouldn't go lower. But yeah, no trades from there. I ended up getting off when we took out this high too, because I told my Discord, yeah, guys, we are just going to chop around the rest of the morning. And what do we see? We do. Chop, 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 chop. So yeah, hopefully you guys protected your capital today and sat out and did not FOMO into any setups. There wasn't anything I liked, not mechanically. No inversion fair value gaps really presented themselves today. And overall, I don't really like that the market didn't take out those lows at market open. We are kind of just bouncing in between internal draws on liquidity today, and I like to target external draws. So no setups for me today, and we'll just come back tomorrow and trade the markets, and if we see a setup, we'll take the setup. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this trade recap video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.